Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix cellular data not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your settings app, then here tap cellular and make sure that the cellular data is turned on. Next, scroll down and check if the apps that you want to use with the mobile data are also toggled on. If it's not working, you can go back to the settings and tap General. Then, Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset Network Settings, and this will refresh your mobile connection. And finally, make sure that your SIM card is inserted properly and check if your carrier plan is active. And that's how you fix cellular data not working on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!